Hello everybody, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to hard reset on LG G7 right here. We are going to hard reset. Okay, so firstly you need to press the volume down and the power together at the same time. Okay, so let's go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then release the power and hold the power again. Okay, and then you can see the factory data reset option here that we can delete, we can hard reset, okay, by just pressing the volume down and the power to confirm, and then the volume down again and the power again for yes. Okay, just press it, and the process of erasing data is working. That we need to wait for a few minutes for the phone reboot to the menu. And everybody also please subscribe my wife's channel, Army Food. If everyone also like cooking video, everyone can go there and watch her videos. There are about over 10 videos now in the channel. And also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for my video, my channel, and I'm gonna make another useful video for everyone. So that's it for how to set on LG G7. Thank you for watching.